Hello everyone, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing. So whenever you subscribe to my channel, please on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload any video. Okay, so so the people who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much for liking, subscribing, commenting. Thank you so very much, means a lot. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is what is aligning for you, what are the planets aligning for you. Okay, so I have 3 planets over here, so select intuitively a planet that calls to you. Yeah, and remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So the first group, we have the Venus planet. So for the group number 2 we have Jupiter, and for group number 3 we have Neptune. So relax, close your eyes, take your time, take a deep breath, connect, let go of all the worries, and then select a planet that calls to you. Okay, the timestamps will be provided in the description box so you can watch accordingly. Okay, I'm gonna start with group number 1. Okay, group number 1, if you chose this Venus, so let's see what is aligning for you. So I'm getting this love, harmony in relationships, beauty, taking care of yourself, listening to yourself, your if you feel like your body needs rest today, you will be taking that rest. If you feel like taking action, you will be taking action. So you're going to listen to your body more. I'm getting the self-love vibes more, because for some of you, you are healing your heart, you're going through healing process, you're healing your heartbreaks, you're healing your disappointments. Maybe for some of you, literally it is about maybe you did some cosmetic some cosmetic things. I don't know, I'm feeling like that vibe. Yeah, you will be healing that. It's okay to do that. It's yeah, for some of you will be focusing on your natural beauty. I'm getting, maybe for some of you, you are going to use only natural products, organic products, eating very healthy, self-love. Yeah, motherly energy is also I'm getting. For some of you, you will be, if you're planning about getting married or making babies, so maybe you will be doing that, starting a family. That is all I'm seeing for you guys. So let's see what is aligning for my Venus people. What is aligning? Marriage also, I feel like for some of you, maybe you're planning for marriage, maybe you're preparing your marriage or something like that. I'm seeing this wedding invitation cards. Okay, so maybe for some of you that is also happening. Maybe you're doing it. Okay, I just saw that. Maybe for some of you in the future you will be. Yeah, oh, tradition again, tradition, marriage. It's all about beliefs. I was talking about tradition. So yeah, getting married, yeah, it's all about traditions, it's all about our beliefs. So for some of you, maybe you will be getting more into spirituality, focusing more on your beliefs. And for some of you, it's also about our limited beliefs. Because of the religion, we get a lot of when we focus upon a religion, it's more rules, a lot of rules. So you'll be like, why so many rules? More than that, I think you will be focusing on your limited, you will be getting out of your limited beliefs, focusing on yourself, doing something that is good for you. Yeah, no, yeah, I feel like that. Connecting more with yourself, becoming more spiritual, connecting to the divine within yourself. I'm getting, listening to your own intuition, that is possible. And literally, I told you about marriage before pulling out this card. So yeah, definitely you will be getting married in a church or a temple, something like that I can see. Maybe for some of you, you will be celebrating your marriage. Maybe you will be calling some people, your friends, enjoying with them. Or maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you will be meeting the one in an event like this, marriage of someone. Yeah, if your friend is getting married, you will, for example, if your friend is getting married, you will be going to this marriage and you will be meeting this person, and then you will take off, something like that also I'm getting here. But definitely, if you're already married, maybe you will be more focusing, if you have been already married, if you have been focusing on your kids, if you have been focusing on your partner, I feel what is aligning for you is for you guys, I feel like you will be taking care of yourself more. uh, like sometimes society, because of society, we don't take care of ourselves, we take care of others, and finally you are like, no, I have to take care of myself also. If I don't take care of myself, then then my health will not be good. And so I feel for many of you will be taking care of your health, taking care of your body, drinking water, eating healthy. That is what is aligning for you guys. Doing exercise, getting out of your limited beliefs, that is strong. Okay, finally doing the things you always wanted to do. It can be for some of you it can be breaking some traditions of your, making some rules. For some of you, yes, maybe you will be breaking some rules. I'm getting that also. Maybe your family has so rules, and you will be like breaking one of the rules. You will be going to be very rebellious or something. I'm getting that vibe for yourself, because you will be taking care of yourself. It is not wrong. Sometimes it's just rules. It's not wrong to do certain thing, right? So for some of you, I feel like you might be breaking some traditions, or maybe your family, I'm getting this vibe for this might be a specific message for some of you. Maybe in your family there was only arranged marriages, because in a society, in Indian society, if you're Indians, you might relate to it, that our society is like all focused on most on this arranged marriages. This is a very specific message, okay, for not for all of you. So in your family everyone has done only arranged marriage, you will be the one who is breaking the rule and doing a love marriage. But I see that everyone will accept it. So take care of yourself, don't stress about it, okay? So yeah, let's see what is aligning for you. Yeah, a lot of, look, we have loyal heart, yes, of course. So yeah, and we have higher power. As I said, you're connecting more with your intuition, you're connecting more with your divinity, you're connecting more with your divine, the divine that is within yourself. You're connecting with your heart, you're going to leave your heart's desire, I feel like that. So that's my, because you have met someone who is maybe who is like different, and yeah, but this person will love you, and because of this person, you might be breaking the rules. I don't know, but definitely this person loves you, okay? With this loyal heart, there is so lot of love. So in your marriage also, if there is little bit miscommunication, communicate with this person more, because this person truly loves you, okay? That is also I'm getting here for some of you. But yeah, there is union, there is a lot of look at us too, same, right? It's like a union of something, some sort. Marriage, yeah, marriage is aligning for you. A lot of growth, a lot of happy, a lot of self love. It's maybe for some of you it's like connecting to yourself more, finally accepting yourself, finally loving yourself. Maybe in the past, because of this, other people might have told you that you're too fat or you're too thin, because everyone has an opinion. Finally you're letting go of that opinion and loving yourself, okay? That is what a lot of I feel for many of you, it's like you're finding inner peace, okay? Finally accepting yourself, and finally finding that inner peace. Yeah, let's see what else. But definitely you're healing your heart, you're healing all the disappointments, in the past you had. You're finally moving forward, forward with the things you want to do in life, not what others want to do. I'm getting this rebellious energy also a lot, okay? So like, right, breaking some traditions, not doing what everyone else is doing something differently, okay? That you feel like is right. Maybe other feels like it is not right, but for you it is right, right? Yeah, of course you will not harm anyone in this. That's for sure, I know that. So let's see what else is aligning for group number 1. I'm seeing a long hair, okay? Long hair. Okay, if you're trying to grow your hair or something like that, yeah, it will happen. Okay, I'm literally seeing long hair, long black hair. Okay, maybe you'll buy a wig or something. I don't know. Some long hairs. I don't. Yeah, I'm seeing that. So let's see what else. Wait. What else? Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting, yeah, healing. As I said, healing is aligning for you. Yeah, okay. Look, the Seven of Swords. You're healing from. Okay, so with the Seven of Swords, I'm getting there were people around you who were gossiping, backstabbing, who were putting. Sometimes I even feel like that people who were putting restrictions on you. Narcissist people who are there. Finally, you are healing from these things. That is what aligning for you. For many of you, if you are in a narcissistic relationship, toxic relationship, or toxic friend groups, maybe toxic parents, finally you're healing all that. For many of you, it can be that limit because of this thing happened in your past. I'm feeling like that maybe this was something that happened in your past, and you have that in your subconscious mind, and finally you're healing that. I'm getting, for some of you, definitely it can be a childhood abuse also that you're healing right now in your life. For others, for some of you, you are leaving this friend group of yours who is so bad. People who is like gossiping, they don't like. For some of you, I even feel like that you were getting in your own way, in your own success. Finally you're letting go of that. You're healing, you're taking rest. For some of you, I'm getting this, your subconscious mind is like getting reprogrammed. Okay, so use this positive affirmations, because it will be correct time, because yeah, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. I feel like that you're healing. For some of you, literally, from maybe someone has cheated on you, and you're healing that. Okay, and finally, after healing that, you will be meeting this person, this new person, and this person will give you a lot of love. Okay, you're healing. Yeah, for some of you, it can be that you're healing. In the past, people might have told you that you're not beautiful, and maybe you have accepted that, and finally you're healing that also. You're not, you're like, no, that's their perspective, it's not mine. I'm beautiful the way I am. Finally accepting yourself, finally healing all the wounds. Yeah, yeah, that is what I feel for you guys. You're healing. Yeah, let's see what else. Group number 1, you're getting more into the energy of love. So please focus more on yourself this time. I would say that. And yeah, let go of the people. It's not your mistake. If they are like this, yeah, there are certain people we can't do. Yeah, all you can do is like break free. I feel like you'll be breaking free from these kind of dramas in your life. Okay, you're healing that. Okay, and meeting someone, and for many of you, what I feel like, you are letting go of these kind of people, and new people are coming into your life who will actually love you for who you are, understand you. And for that, first we need to love ourselves. So this is what is aligning for you. Self love more. You're loving more, you're taking care of yourself, you're doing the things you wanted to do. Okay, not taking not listening to the other people who has something bad to say always. So yeah, let's see what else is aligning for you guys. Yeah, maybe your parents were very strict, and maybe you didn't have any freedom. Finally you will be getting that freedom. Maybe you will get a job, and because of that you will move out or something like that also, I'm feeling. And so you will be focusing more on yourself, your love, your everything. I feel more is like you will be focusing more on yourself and healing from heartbreaks. Let's see what else. Yeah, oh wow, distant horizon. So literally for some of you will be traveling, as I said, moving out. Focusing on more on spirituality, with this tradition, focusing more on spirituality rather than the religious beliefs that are, yeah, yeah, maybe in the past you were told that this is wrong. Religion comes with lot of rules. Finally you are like letting go of that limited beliefs and focusing more on spirituality, as I said, connecting with your own divinity, making rules for yourself. You're not taking other people's rules, you're doing something that feels right to you, right? That is good for you. That is what I feel like. Yeah, with this distance horizons, definitely you're going to fly high. For some of you, definitely you are going to learn something esoteric, and that is also, I'm getting esoteric, some mysticism, maybe learning more about tarot, astrology. If you're focusing on that, just go ahead, you'll be good at it. Okay, maybe for some of you in the past you were told that this is not good, this tarot is not good, but finally you'll be breaking, you will be releasing yourself from that thing, and you'll be focusing on something that you love, right? Maybe you always wanted to learn about esoteric, something like that. Now you will be doing that, focusing on meditation. Yeah, I'm getting this meditation, focusing on yoga, focusing on yourself. Yeah, if I sum up this, is like I'm getting what is aligning for you is most is self-love. Okay, so let's see what else is aligning for my group number 1. I don't know, my voice sounded different for you guys. Maybe in the past you had so much problem telling people what you want, who you are. You didn't express yourself, but what I see in the future is you will be expressing yourself, you will be expressing your gifts, you will be expressing your talents, you will be expressing your you will be saying things out and loud. Okay, I feel like that. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like you were suppressed. Yeah, you were told that this is wrong, you cannot speak there, you have to be quiet. Maybe because of that you had problem expressing yourself. Finally I see that you will be expressing yourself. For some of you, I feel like you need to work on your throat chakra. Okay, a lot of fear on that. I feel like that you have fear to express yourself or something like that. Let's see what is aligning for you. Again we got 4 of swords energy. So yeah, it's time to take a break. Whatever, look, fire, you have been doing everything by yourself. Now it's time to focus on yourself. Now it's the time to focus on your health, your mental health, your physical health, self love, whatever. Things are burning here, but this person is like, no, I cannot do that. I have been doing that for so long. I have been taking care of other people for so long. I have been following the rules for so long. Now all I want to do is relax, take care of myself, right? So that is what is happening here. You're taking care of yourself. You're not getting into dramas, unwanted things that is not good for you. You're moving away from these kind of things, dramas, family dramas, whatever that is not good. You're moving away, you're taking break, you're recharging. You're for some of you, literally you might take a vacation also. Yeah, that is what I feel like. Okay, so let's end this reading with one more card. Oh, got 2. Okay, practice. Okay, so with this esoteric information I told you, for some of you are trying to learn that. Okay, whatever skill you're focusing on, practice that. For some of you, it can also be practicing self-love more, taking care of yourself more, because you are not used to take care of yourself more. You're used to take care of other people's needs. And for some of you, it can be literally practicing, in a mirror, speaking to yourself, saying I love you to yourself. That is what I feel like you need to do that more. Okay, yeah, and you will master self-love. I'm getting that. Now in the future, what I see for you guys is you will be taking care of yourself first, and then only others. You will be making yourself a priority. You were always the back. Your needs, your everything was back. I feel for this pile, you never expressed what you want. If you wanted a new dress, you never told anyone. For some of you, your family all brought dresses, but you were like, you didn't get it because you never expressed it. Finally you're expressing yourself. Finally you're saying the things you want in your life. Finally, sometimes when we don't express ourselves, people think that we don't want when we want. So finally you're like, no, if I want something, I'm going to tell it, right? So that is what I feel like you're practicing. Yeah, travel. I told you, travel with this. Maybe for some of you, you might be traveling, and for some of you it can be your mental travel, completely mental perspective, you know, for this pile. Yeah, you're changing your perspective, you're getting out of your limited beliefs, you're getting out of that rules, you know, that your parents or your society has planted onto you. You're more focusing on yourself, you're getting rebellious. I'm getting that vibe also. You're getting out of this toxic patterns. Maybe it's your toxic habits you're healing, maybe your drugs, if you have been doing alcohol, something like that, that was not good for you. I'm getting sleeping pills for some of you. Maybe you take that a lot. Finally you will be like because you used to stress so much and you used to not sleep properly, and because of that you used to take sleeping pills. Finally you are like letting go of that kind of energies. You're breaking your own pattern, you're loving yourself, you're recharging, you're taking care of your body, your soul, and doing something that you actually want to do in your life. It's all about self, changing your perception. Okay, so that is what is aligning for you guys. Yeah, I feel like this pile have started. Yeah, it's difficult, you know. Healing is very difficult thing, you know, feeling that emotions, you know, from the childhood, it's difficult, you know. It's very difficult, you know, when we do that. So yeah, I feel like you'll be releasing that through crying. You'll be crying a lot. I feel for this pile you'll be crying a lot, you'll be releasing that, but it will all be worth it. Okay, it will all be worth it. You'll be like, yeah, thank God I did this. I feel for you guys. Okay, yeah, it will take a lot of courage. It will take a lot of practice, you know, self determination, having faith, having trust, like takes a lot of practice. It will take a lot of practice, but definitely you will come as a winner. Okay, so yeah, that's it for group number 1. My throat, you know, my throat is really, I don't know, for this pile it's like very bad. So because I don't have any problem and when I was reading your cards, so yeah, focus on your throat chakra, express yourself, express your creativity. Don't suppress yourself. You have been suppressing yourself a lot. Now it's not the time to suppress, it's time to let go of that, you know. Scream if you want to, like let go of that tears. I'm getting literally, you will be crying a lot. You will be releasing a lot. It's not about crying over some disappointment. No, it's about a healing thing. Healing, you're crying, you're getting out of your past, you're letting go of that past. But when we do that, yeah, it's a lot of emotions, right? It's tough. Not everyone can do that, and it's really tough to experience that emotions, to yeah, to let go of that, to forgive people. It's very difficult, right? So yeah, that is what I feel like you're doing, and you are becoming the best version of yourself. Okay, that is what I feel for you guys. So bye bye, take care. If you chose this Jupiter, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what is aligning for you guys. With this Jupiter is all about like expansion, right? I'm getting that vibe of expansion. Luck is coming your way. So if you're ready, if you're ready to achieve your dreams, yes, you know, you have to take action. If you want to do something, go and take action. Yes, if you believe in yourself, you will get that luck thing, you know. If you want, you know, with this Jupiter I feel like yeah, if you want something, you need to work for it. If you want to get that lottery, you need to buy that lottery ticket, right? So that kind of energy I'm feeling. So you need to enjoy life. Okay, don't be so caught up in your day to day things. So it's time to break free from that and enjoy life. Okay, for some of you, if you want to travel, if it's possible, you can plan that. At least you can start planning it right now. If you can't travel, you can just start planning your dream vacation, thinking about it, manifesting that. So that is what, for some of you, you need to start visualizing the things you want in your future. I feel like that, like it's time to create your own reality, that kind of energy, because luck is in your side. The wheel is going to turn for you guys. Yeah, so visualize. So yeah, visualize the things, and because you can create it, that is what I feel like. The luck is coming, the luck is with you. So now just do it. Just start visualizing, just start dreaming. You know, yeah, like buying the lottery ticket, something like that I'm getting. You know, it's time to enjoy life. It's not to be in, or sometimes we just get caught up in the day-to-day activities where we don't have any fun. So it's like Jupiter is telling, just get out and have fun, do something funny, do something creative, do something that makes you happy. Okay, that is what I feel like. So it's time to do that. So let's see what is aligning for my group number 2, whoever oh my god, whoever has chosen Jupiter. Let's see what is aligning for group number 2. Okay, desire. Yeah, movement. It's time to as I was saying, it's time to move forward with your desire. It's time to, like this Chariot energy, it's time to take action. It's time to plan your future. It's time to visualize the things you want in your life. Sometimes we feel so lost that we believe that this is our life. We believe that we will not get any opportunity, and we don't even dream big, right? So it's like Jupiter is saying, no, just dream big, go, it's like keep that desire alive in your heart. Think big for your future, do that guided meditations, do that visualization, and whatever your plans are, take action. And again, this Chariot energy is like telling you to manifest that dream vacation of yours. Maybe for some of you, you love travel, and because of this you're not able to travel. So manifest your dream travel, plan about it, talk about it, and like feel it that you are gonna do that. So that is what whatever your desire is, like if you have a goal in your mind, just take action. I feel like that. It's like to feel that energy right now here. Okay, so that is what I feel like. Movement for, with this chariot energy, things are going to speed up for you guys. Things are going to move ahead. For some of you, I even feel like that you will be meeting the love of your life. Okay, if you're in a long distance relationship right now, maybe I feel the vibe that you will be meeting this person soon. You will be traveling. So if you're not able to travel, just manifest that dream of yours, because I feel that soon you will be like meeting them, meeting your family. I'm getting, for some of you it can be meeting your family, it can be meeting your friends. For some of you, you will be meeting your girlfriend or boyfriend for the first time. I'm getting that also. And for some of you, you will be, if you're waiting for your husband to come, something like that, husband or wife, you will be meeting them. So yeah, something about meeting also I'm getting, meeting your loved ones. Okay, that is also gonna happen for you guys. With this card, I'm getting the energy after a long time meeting someone, and it will make you happy. Okay, so a lot of momentum with this desire. A lot of your desires are going to be fulfilled. So if you have been desiring to meet someone, definitely that is coming, that is aligning for you. Okay, yeah, the luck is on your side. Okay, so use it wisely. Don't sometimes what happen, even though we have, sometimes the energy will be there, but how we perceive the energy is also very important. So sometimes I have seen people, they are getting bigger opportunity, but they are like, no, that is so big, I cannot take it, that is not for me, and we don't take that opportunity, right? Sometimes because of our fear. So don't do that. So whenever you feel like if that opportunity is for you, just take it. Sometimes because of our fear, we don't take it, right? So yeah, that is also I'm getting here. So some of you, I even feel like some wishes may be getting fulfilled, so you will be feeling very happy about it. So yeah, that is what I'm feeling. A lot of expansion, a lot of growth, a lot of researching also. I'm feeling like you'll be researching things, moving towards your goals. So don't stop moving towards your goals. Okay, a lot of recognition also I feel like for you guys. For some of you, you are even doing your shadow work. Keep on doing that shadow work, because yeah, because that will allow you to connect with your own intuition more. I feel like that. Okay, you will make better decisions. Okay, but yeah, definitely you're meeting your own desire. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. What you're desiring, you're meeting that. So let's see what else is aligning for group number 2. Yeah, you're fated. The fates, you're gonna, this is your destiny. Okay, Yeah, your destiny is to for some of you, you will be meeting a new person, and you're destined to meet this new person. That is also, I'm feeling like, for some of you, I even feel like you're connecting with your soul purpose, your life purpose, and your yeah, you're meant to expand in your life. You're meant to have that quality life in your life. You're meant to you're meant to have your wishes fulfilled. That is what I feel like. Look at the number, we have 17 7 717 is also something about love. Just research that number, because for some of you, it's also, I feel like you're going to meet your twin flame or soulmate energy is also, I'm getting what I'm getting here. So you're fated to be together. Okay, you're meant to have this life together. Okay, so this is you're fated to do. So check that 717 number. Okay guys, research about it if you feel like it. Okay, but definitely you are meant to move forward. This is your fate to move forward. It's your fated to enjoy life. You are here to be happy. You're here to be content. You are here to be lucky. That is what I feel like. That is aligning for you. Your destiny is aligning for you. What you're meant, why you came here, you're gonna do that next. That is what I feel like. Maybe, as I said, so you might be connecting with your soul purpose, your life purpose, whatever you're meant for, you're gonna do that. And you will be, when we do something that is we are meant for, we will be successful. So yes, a lot of success, lot of victory energy I'm feeling for you guys. Okay, wow. So let's see what else is aligning for my group number 2, Jupiter. Yeah, we have 3 of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, definitely recognition, recognition, rewards, and with this Chariot energy also, a lot of recognition. Maybe for some of you, you will be getting an award or something if you have been working on something, maybe a promotion, job promotion. People will be like saying, wow, your idea is so nice. Maybe your if you're an architecture, I even feel like that your plan will be much like architecture draws house, something like that, right? I don't know about it, but I feel that vibe also. What you're doing, it will be very much appreciated by other people, because whatever your skill is, you're mastering it. Okay, and when we master a skill, yeah, I feel like you're mastering. I'm getting that with this Chariot and 3 of Pentacles. What I'm getting, that you're destined to master a skill. So for some of you, it can be your hobby that you're mastering, your passion you're mastering. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you will not be doing the thing you learned. Maybe for some of you, you took a degree on some subject, but you will be completely doing something else in your life, career based. For some of you, I feel like maybe it can be a hobby of yours you will be mastering, that you always wanted to do, and people will be appreciating you for that. Okay, so yeah, something artistic also, whatever it is. For some of you, even you will be having a team. Okay, team, and you will be giving them, I'm getting this teaching vibe also. Maybe you will have a team, you will be teaching them. Something like that about teaching is also coming. But whatever you're doing in your life, you're going to move forward. You're going to get the rewards. You're going to get the recognition, because you're meant to get it. It's written in the stars. Okay, that is what I feel like. Many people will recognize your work. They will appreciate you for your work, and yeah, you're mastering your skill more. Okay. So yeah, with this 3 of Pentacles, I'm getting this recognition and rewards, and with this Chariot energy also, with this desire. Maybe you always wanted that, and yes, for some of you, you're getting a bonus. Maybe for some of you, will be starting a business. And look at the 2 cards that popped out. We have King of Wands and 6 of Wands. Isn't it interesting? Yeah, victory, success. For some of you, yeah, you are going to be entrepreneurs. Okay, if you're planning to start a business, move forward. Okay, if you have been planning, yes, you're meant to do that. Okay, you're meant to have a team where you will be giving them instructions. You will be working with a team. Even if it's not a business, you will be working with a team. You're a leader. Okay, remember, you're a leader, you're meant to lead people. And you know what, with this Six of Wands, definitely you're going to be very, very successful, and you will be getting the, again, recognition and rewards. You will be getting the reward. If you have been working hard on something, if you have been moving forward on something, definitely I see a lot of recognition, lot of fulfillment coming your way. People will be following you. If you have a community, there will be people following you. Like if you have an Instagram page, maybe you're putting your passion, maybe you're artist and you put something on your Instagram page, a lot of people will follow you. You will get success in that. So that is what I feel like. For many of you, you have this. For some of you, you're doing it. If you're doing it, keep on working on it, because it will be successful, because you're fated to do that. You're fated to I feel it's your fate to live your dream. That is what I feel like. Okay, and for others, if you're not doing it right now, it's like this is message is telling, just start doing it. Start putting yourself, just put yourself out. You're meant to be a little bit for some of you, it can be fame. Okay, you can have literally get famous. With the Six of Wands, I'm feeling that energy also. Maybe you're working on it, like if you're an artist, but you feel like that your work is not perfect, and so you're not putting it out there. It's time to put yourself out there, put your artwork, because that will be liked by many people, that will be appreciated by many people. Okay, for some of you, maybe you will get more work from your commissioned work or something like that, like collaborations. That is also, I'm feeling like you will get. But definitely with this, for some of you, I even have a feeling like your soulmate, this person will be very financially stable. Okay, you're fated to meet this person. This person will be financially stable. He will be very mature, he or she. It's about because tarot, I'm just reading energy. So it's this person will be very stable in their career. They are very mature, because they are the king. So definitely, if this soulmate of yours is like very successful, that is also I'm getting here. So you're meant to be with this person. Maybe for some of you, this person will give you all the luxury, the luck. This person is your luck. For some of you, it can also be that. But definitely for some, the whole thing that is aligning for you is you're connecting with your destiny. You're connecting with something that you wanted to do. You will be doing something that you actually love doing. Okay, you're getting out of all the things. You're letting go of the things that is not for you. And finally, with this Jupiter, I am also getting, it's time to take that chance. For some of you, you are in this comfort zone, you're not taking the chance. It's time to take the chance. It's time to get aligned. That you need to do. For, as I said before, if you want to get that lottery, you have to purchase a lottery ticket, otherwise you will not get it, right? So it's that kind of energy. You need to take that action. You need to start planning for yourself. You need to start visualizing for yourself. You need to start dreaming big. And when you do that, that will align for you, because there is so much of victory and success for you guys. But you need to believe in it. Okay, because you have talents. You're very talented people. For some of you, you're not recognizing your own talent, right? So that is what I feel. I'm just getting this word. My mind is saying this word again and again. Recognition and reward. I have, that is what is like strongly coming. Let's see. Okay, one card. Stop. It's a new pathway. It's a new pathway. A lot of transformation. Look at this butterflies. Like it's a new pathway. You need to take that road. You need to take that first step. You need to put yourself out there. If you have already done that, yes, it's a long way to go, but you will be successful, because you're destined to have this path. Okay, so and look at the number 35. It's again an 8. 8 is all about abundance, success, infinite possibilities, right? So and with this butterfly, a lot of transformation. Don't be in this caterpillar energy. Get out of your comfort zone. You have done that work. Now it's time to be it's time to be the butterfly. It's time to move forward. Look at the butterflies are moving forward, isn't it? They're moving forward towards light, right? And Chariot is also about moving forward. This person is also moving forward, right? So yeah, it's time to move forward with your destiny, with your desire, with your dream. So for some of you, it's about, if you have already taken action, believe in it, keep trusting, keep putting that effort, because you will get that. And if you haven't done it, if you have been only thinking about it, start to taking action, visualize it with lots of faith. Just start going, because yes, this path is for you, this pathway is for you. Okay, so let's see what else is aligning for my group number 2, Jupiter. What else is aligning for me? Sorry, for Jupiter's people. What is aligning? Okay, that is a lot. Okay, but I think I will take it. Okay, so yeah, it's about, look at these 3 cards. With these 3 cards, what I feel like, it's about, the worst is over. Yeah, it's time to be courageous, and it's time to take action towards your dreams. That is what I'm getting with these 3 cards. It's time, because you are meant to shine. You're the star. So be positive and take action. Yes, you have gone through a lot of things. You have gone through a lot of failures in your life. You have been, look, with this 8 here, it's not the way here. This person is very scared of the demons. You have, maybe for some of you, right now, you are feeling very low. You're feeling not so positive about your life. You don't know what to do. So this reading is telling that it is in your hand. For some of you, you need to get out of this energy of fear. And look, with the infinity symbol, again, you have so much of infinite possibilities. It's up to you whether you take action or not. If you want to stand, if you sit there, you will be sitting in that comfort place only. If you will not think big, you will not get this. So it's time to get out, put yourself out there, be the star, right? It's time to wish for big things. It's time for dreaming big things and taking action. Okay, because the worst is over. That is what I'm getting here. Right? So there is a lot of, again, we have this recognition, fame. It's your destiny. For some of you, it's your destiny to become like a little bit famous, maybe in your community. I'm not telling that, maybe maybe some people will know you in your community. That kind of thing I'm feeling for you guys. But definitely, it's about time that you let go of your fear. For some of you, it's your own fear. You're blocking yourself from this pathway. Yeah, this pathway is it's a long road, right? It's not going to be like very easy, but yes, you need to take action. And when you keep on working on that, when you take action on that, definitely you will reach the success. You will get the recognition, you will get the reward. But it's time to believe in your own desire. It's time to believe in your own goals and move forward. Let go of that fear. Let go, maybe because of other people you are fearing things. It's time to let go of all that. Okay, so let's end the reading with this cards. Okay, yeah, look at that. We have Jupiter, and you have gotten this 4-leaf clovers. You have found a 4-leaf clover. Unlucky times will soon be over. Yes, your unlucky times are over. You have suffered a lot. Now it's time to shine. It's time for the positive light here, because definitely with this 10 of Swords, you have felt like why every you have to get, why people are stabbing me back, right? Why I'm getting all these failures? Why I'm not moving forward? And because of you have accumulated a lot of fear inside of you. Now it's time to be courageous. Now it's time to be this person, like taming that demons. You have certain demons inside of you. It's time to tame that. And when you tame that, that is when your wish will get fulfilled. So it's time to dream big. It's time to move towards your destiny. It's time for some of you, definitely it's time to start doing something that you have been wanting. Your heart has been saying, just go for it, but you haven't been doing that. So it's time to do that. It's time to follow your passion. It's time to follow your bliss. It's time to start planning for that dream vacation. It's time to do something that you want. That is what is like. And when you do that, lucky times will come. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. So if you chose this Neptune, So with this Neptune card, lot of wild imagination, I feel like, is you're going to be very you for some of you will have a mystical experience. I feel like that maybe if you haven't been in touch with your intuition, I see that you're going to be more in touch with your intuition. You will be more in touch with your imagination, your wild imagination. It's your dreams. I feel you'll be dreaming a lot of vivid imagination, daydreaming. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting here for this Neptune. And look at that blue color. Okay, with this blue color I'm getting this third eye chakra vibe, right? Yeah, it's all about the imagination, the mystical experience. For some of you will have this mystical experience, I feel like. Okay, maybe for some of you getting into more into spirituality. And if you feel like for some of you, if you're an artist, or if you're painters, if you write books, yes, your imagination is going to be very, very wild. Okay, and even if you're not into these kind of things, just surrender, guys, because I feel like when we surrender, you will get it. Because yes, your imagination is going to be super. So if you work on something, if you're writers, if you are poets or something like that, I feel your imagination is going to be wild. You will get a lot of downloads on that. Your dreams will show you that. So yeah, for some of you it's like just do meditation, grounding meditations will give you a lot of insight. Okay, a lot of if you're in a creative field, definitely a lot of imagination, lot of like I'm getting this script writing or something. If you're script writers or something like that, do something. I feel like that vibe here. You're going to have a lot of imagination. A lot of imagination is aligning for you guys. So let's see what else is aligning for Neptune people. Oh, look, we were talking about imagination. Look, new ideas, new spark, spiritual growth for some of you. Some of you will be taking your spiritual growth more seriously, focusing more on meditation. Look at this fire energy, right? Ace of Staves is all about fire. For some of you are, if you wanted to be writers, maybe you will be taking that path, because yes, your imagination is going to be very, very wild. So take that. A lot of new ideas are going to come your way. So take action on that. So maybe after sleep you might get a lot of insights on how to write things. Maybe you will, so early in the morning you can just do your work. I'm getting that vibe. A person is sleeping and then he wakes up in the middle of the night and he has a lot of ideas and he just goes and type in his computer, right? That kind of energy I'm getting. A lot of new ideas, a lot of growth, lot of new beginnings, lot of new start. For some of you, yes, you have been wanting to write a book, you will be writing it. Maybe you wanted to start a blog, you will be doing that. Okay, so yeah, new start, your imagination. This is all this thing coming from the divine, because it's very mystical, I feel like. So for some of you, yeah, your meditations, in your meditation you will be getting a lot of ideas. You take that is what is aligning for you guys. So if you're in this creative field, definitely go for it. Okay, for some of you, even I feel like you will be getting a lot of messages also. Okay, so do some like dancing, this I feel like this dancing all will lighten the energy. You will get ideas when you're very free, when you're not thinking, when you're not stressing. Okay, so let's see what is aligning for group number 3. Look, again, message in a bottle. This makes so sense. A lot of messages from the divine, lot of like for some of you will literally get a call for a new opportunity, for a new job. Okay, that you have been waiting for. Okay, for some of you, definitely it's that you have been dreaming about it. You have been manifesting that type of a job, your dream job, or maybe a call from a person that relationship will move forward. So definitely for some of you, you will get an email, you will get a job, or maybe a collaboration from someone, and that will make you that will give you a lot of happiness. For others, it can be the ideas from the divine you're getting, and that will be because and when we get an idea, we will start doing things, right? So that is also, I feel like, for you guys. It's happening. So be in the present moment. Okay, don't stress too much. Yeah, yeah, maybe for some of you, you will be you will be connecting more to the universe. I feel like that, sometimes you will be start for this pile. What I feel like, you will start seeing magic in your day-to-day life, like out of nowhere you will be seeing butterflies. Whenever you go out, you will be seeing some different creatures or something like that. I feel like maybe in your dreams also you will be seeing, or when a lot of signs, lot of numbers, lot of signs from the universe. You're connected to the universe, you're making this connection with the universe. That is also I'm getting here. You're connected to the divine, so that is also divine connection is there. So a lot of signs from the universe you can expect. So yeah, maybe you're seeing numbers, maybe you're seeing a lot of animal totems. Okay, so just yeah, lot of symbols. Your universe is with you. They are with you. They're guiding you. They're giving you a lot of ideas. They're giving you, yeah, they are giving you a lot of ideas. Take that idea and work with that ideas. Okay, that is what I feel like. That will give you a lot of success. And I feel they're giving you answers also. So if you are stuck, if you don't have answers, if you're feeling very confused, you're going to get the answers also. So but make meditation take meditation seriously. Okay, so yeah, because you're meant to have that mystical experience. You will experience the things that you haven't experienced before. And maybe this, don't share this experience with other people, because I feel many people will not understand it, because it was going to be so magical. Okay, so for yeah, definitely keep it with you, or share with the friends who can vibe with you. Okay, yeah, wow, look at that, you got 9 of Cups energy. So yes, emotional satisfaction, you will be happy. Some of your wishes are going to come true. For some of you, definitely is something related to your career or something like that. Maybe you have been applying for something, maybe university. I'm getting, maybe you have been applying to a university, or maybe you needed to learn something that is very passionate. Finally you will be getting selected to that, or maybe a job offer that will make you so happy. So yeah, some of your wishes are going to come true. Definitely. So yeah, that is aligning for your wishes, going to be coming true for you guys. A new start, definitely. Okay, yeah, you will be ready to take action. You will be going forward with it. You will be in this fiery energy, like, yes, I can make this happen. I'm gonna do this. I have the skill and I will just do it. I'm connected to the source. I feel like you will be for some of you, yeah, definitely, if you wanted to travel, that is also possible. Maybe you have been planning to relocate, maybe you will be getting that opportunity. Yeah, for some of you, if you're looking for a new home, you will be getting that call. Maybe you have something about that, getting a call, getting some email, getting the thing you have been desiring for. That is what is aligning for you, and you will be like ready to, like, yeah, the world is in my hands, everything is in my hand, I can create my reality. You'll be in that kind of energy where you'll be believing in yourself and believing in spirit, believing in universe. Yeah, you're completely changing your perspective, and you're believing in universe now. So yeah, a lot of imaginative, I feel for many of you will be daydreaming a lot. And yes, you will make your daydreams a reality also. So of course, something is coming true for you guys, because there are a lot of people. But I'm getting this vibe of a new job or a new opportunity that you have been waiting for. Maybe it can be from a person also, who will be proposing, who will be like, hey, can we go out or something like that, and you have been waiting for this person. Maybe that is also coming, and you'll be like ready, yes, I'm gonna wear my best dress and go, or maybe I'll be wearing the best dress I have, and something like that. So yeah, that is also I feel like, yeah, the thing you have been dreaming for so long is coming true. I'm getting that energy here. Let's see what else is aligning for you. Marriage. Okay, for some of you, it can be literally you'll be getting proposed. Okay, as I said, Yeah, literally can be about proposals. For some of you it is a commitment that you're getting. For some of you it can be a work commitment. It can be your commitment towards your work. Maybe because of that you will be getting a bonus, something like that. But definitely it is about union, right? Something is, for some of you, you are connecting with yourself more, you're connecting with your spirit more, you are so committed to something, and you will be feeling very happy. You will be committed to your work. This new work is coming. It will take a lot of commitment, but because marriage is also about commitment, right? So yeah, for some of you, if you have been planning on marrying, if you have been waiting on that proposal, yes, you will get that. If you have been waiting on that commitment of work, you will get that. So yeah, look at the cherry blossoms. Yeah, I feel like summertime. It's a cherry, I don't know. Yeah, with this, the flowers, I feel it can be in summertime. Okay, this offer, if you have been planning, yeah, summertime will be very important for you guys. And we have ace of staves also. So yeah, I'm getting this summertime. Okay, so let's see what else. So for some of you, I even feel like, you have been dreaming about this thing, and you're like, oh my, this dream is so far. I'm not gonna get this job. I'm not gonna this will be only my dream. And suddenly this dream of yours will be like, yeah, you'll get this dream. That is what I feel like. Let's see what else is aligning for my group number 3. Maybe you thought that you will never get married, and finally you will be getting married. Something like that. Or maybe you didn't, again you got 9 of cups, ace of staves, same. Interesting, isn't it? Right? Different deck and the same cards popped out. So of course a wish. Now, do you have any doubt? No, I don't have any doubt. Yes, your wish is coming true. You will be feeling very emotional, satisfied. Even if it's a relationship, even if it's a job, the wish, some wishes of yours is coming true. You will be very satisfied in your marriage life. You will be very satisfied in your love life. You will be satisfied with your spiritual life, and you will be taking action on your dreams. You will be moving forward. You will be very committed to your dreams. You will be very committed to your intuition. You will be committed to your not intuition, to your spiritual practice. Okay, and because of that, your intuition will be very strong. A lot of new ideas, a lot of new growth, opportunities are coming your way. As I said, same thing, because same cards are coming out. So yeah, so let's end this reading with these cards here. It's like a confirmation for me, because same cards popped out from 2 different decks, right? So yeah, so the main message what is aligning for you is one of your wishes are definitely gonna come true. Yeah, that's for sure. So let's see. And if you have been dreaming about it for so long, definitely that is the thing is coming true. So yeah, let's see what is the last message. Okay, you're very protected. I don't know, I felt like that you're very protected. Be strong. When trouble seems to be brewing near, your inner strength will keep you clear. So yeah, be strong. Yes, your wishes will be getting manifested. So don't lose hope. Have trust. Have faith. It's all about connection to the universe. You maintain that connection to the universe. I'm getting that also. Listen to the signs. Listen to the symbols, and have always, whenever you feel like that you're losing hope, you're losing faith, believe in that signs, believe in the symbols. Ask universe the symbols, signs. They will give it to you. Like get up and ask for a symbol. Yeah, show me this bird, so I can know that this will be okay. You will see that bird, because universe will give you that. So believe in it. And yeah, you're very protected. Okay, yes, one of your wildest dreams are coming true. I don't know, you never, for some of you, I even feel like that you thought that this dream of yours will never come true, and that is what is coming true. That is what is aligning for you. Yeah, the summertime looks too good. I feel like the summer. Okay. So that is what for group number 3. Wow, bye, take care.